Good afternoon, everybody. In this tutorial, as a spoken English teacher, I have given you many different topics, and I do believe that you can able to give your own presentation on behalf of that certain issue, basis discussions as what you have already prepared in your mind. So let us start to carry on without wasting time. I would like to come to Sahil. I think that you are an initiator. Please carry on.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Sahil Chaudhary. I studying from Hilalpal College. Today topic is newspaper advantage and disadvantage. Newspaper is important for every people. It can help us grow up our knowledge. Newspaper represent news or business about international news, advertisement, cinema updates, stock exchange, etc. They can get an advantage to publish their written. In this pandemic situation, every pupil knows corona update, vaccine update from print media. Newspaper lightweight. For this reason, everyone carry anywhere like train, bus, etc. The newspaper is not just a paper; rather, it is a wisdom.
Okay, thank you very much.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Isha Chaudhary and I am studying in class 10 from Soika Girls High School. Today, our spoken English teacher given us a relevant topic, which is advantages and disadvantages of newspaper. Someone says right that newspaper is a storehouse of knowledge. It can help to make us a habit of worry. In fact, by newspaper, we can know the national and international newses. A poor can't buy any TV or radio, but they can buy a newspaper. Newspaper presents news of business, advertisements, political coverage and issues, etc. The English newspaper is more better than the Bengali newspaper according to me, because from there we can know more and more about that language. Reading newspaper make daily habit. Elderly people manage to get an environment to study by reading newspaper daily. But it's not true that all the news of this newspaper are true. Like newspaper sometimes mislead people to publish some imaginated story where there is no link with ground reality. It's very handy. That's why we can carry it away.
Very good. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Puya Chaudhary. I am pursuing B Architecture from Omdal Group of Institution. Today, our spoken English teacher given us a relevant topic, which is advantages and disadvantages of newspaper. First of all, newspaper is a storehouse of knowledge. When there are no presence of any medium like TV, radio, mobile phone, at that time only print media solely represented news of world. Electronic medium cannot cover up the detailed incident, but print media cover up the whole things. Newspaper provide us the idea of jargon words and many articles that can help in education. People come to know about the politics, jobs, advertisement, film, any updates of current affairs from newspaper. As it's very cheap in price, every pupil can purchase it.
Okay, thank you very much.
Many people knows that every headline of newspaper are not fake, but few fake advantage also publish newspaper and mislead people. Everybody knows that reading newspaper take a long time and that it's also boring. In a nutshell, disadvantage there in every sphere of life. We must have to learn how to deal with this.
Very good. Carry on.
The pupil believe that newspaper provides the right information, but if the newspaper print the wrong news, that it's break our trust. In this corona time, the people who work in other places or the poor people who doesn't have any TV or something electronic mediums, they can get information from the newspaper. Wherever you go, maybe you can't understand their language, but you can find the newspaper in your own mother tongue. Print media also helping you to attribute commemoration to that person who was very close one to us, but they have died. Now, finishing in a nutshell, that newspaper is very essential. It is very affordable to us, but everything has its own advantages and disadvantages. We have to receive all good things and ignore all bad ones.
Very good. Thank you very much.
Sometimes the publisher published such a news that perplexed people about its reality. Again, the small scale businessman who cannot afford advertisement expenses in electronic medium, they can easily give their advertisement in print medium to reach to the customer with their products who are living for far distance. Sometimes it misleads people, especially in time of natural disasters such as flood, cyclone, etc., where people lost their shelter, livestock. It's not is it not clearly addressed by the print medium in their publication, where for some time the sufferer depend from the government relief fund, but in a nutshell, newspaper itself is a legacy of our life. We can't ignore it at all.
Okay, thank you very much. Thank you very much for giving your
Thank
own
you so much,
presentation in that way as what I was expected as a teacher. And all of you done your job from your own end. Thank you very much indeed.